Hey guys, welcome to Research Rocks. It's me Sangram, and today's video we will see how to get affiliation certificate in Luxembourg. It's very simple process. You just follow my tips and tricks and get affiliation certificate in Luxembourg. So how to do it? We will see detailed demonstration on laptop screen. How to download certificate of affiliation? You just simply type as it is in Luxembourg. First link is display here. I already added this link in video description also. You can apply this one also, is absolutely free, no need to pay anything. First of all, we enter here in my GUICH this ID, and here your certificate of affiliation is already done. You just simply click and download the certificate of affiliation. Look at this here, your company name related information is coming. You just simply download and use this document, download and use this document like this. If you really like this video, so please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.